Oh!
Ow! 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 Ow!
This is what Daddy gets when he comes home from work.
Oh, those aren't like Mama's. No, those aren't like Mama's at all. Those don't look like any fun at all.
Whoa.
He loves pushing off me. Just climbing Daddy like, oh, thank you. This is a much better way to wear my glasses. There we go. All fixed. You're a maniac. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yeah. I miss you. Did you miss my boobs? I think he did. I think he's looking down my shirt for Mom's boobs. Did you grow boobs yet, Dad? I'm tired of only having Mom's boobs.
Maybe that's why he slapped you so hard.
Get boobs, Dad. It's the last time I'm going to tell you.